Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Tuesday. It is July the 8th. We are breaking a Gold Rush autograph baseballs. Two box break from a fresh case we started the other night. We randomed up our 6 remaining box numbers. We got 6 and 7. We did pick a name, get 2 by a random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customers. Gave everybody a chance to trade. Nothing going down though, just double checking chats one last time. Alright, not seeing anything fellas, so here we go. Well, guys, solid player. Damn, I think it's that way, guys. It is going to be Gary Sheffield, guys. Beckett hologram on that, baby. Gonna be Gary Sheffield. If my damn camera would focus there. Well, gonna be a dog hit on that one, guys. Man, gonna be a dog hit there. Box and our 2-boxer. Well, guys, bit of a disappointing break on this one, unfortunately, guys. Bam. That is gonna be a Rodgers, folks. Rodgers, guys. If the fucking thing would focus there. Rodgers, guys. Wow, I'm sorry about that, guy. A little bit of a disappointing break on that one. Well, that's going to be a Josh Anderson. Gonna one spot that baby, guys. Alright, folks. Well, that's going to wrap up that 2-boxer, guys. We got 4 boxes left. Call out your keys, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. Please stop on by and join us.